What is Medhavy? Not a feature, not a product category of frame. Medhavy is a system that conducts other AI systems, each one a specialist, each one shaped by an instructor's vision, each one in service of a learner who chose to be here. The conductor doesn't play the instruments. She decides which one plays when and for how long, based on evidence, not assumption. And she adjusts as the evidence changes. She exists because the impact of AI on learning is obvious. The right implementation is not. Nobody knows yet. Medhavy doesn't pretend to it, runs the experiment. The frame that runs every decision. Every feature, every bot, every content rule is measured against 3 questions in this order. The order is not arbitrary. The order is the argument. The learner comes first. Does this genuinely help the person doing the learning? Not the institution that purchased the platform, not the instructor who built the course, the human sitting with the material trying to understand something. If learners don't want to use it, or only use it because they're required to, the platform has failed, full stop. The instructor comes second. Does this make it easier for the instructor to build what they actually want to build? Not a compromise with a rigid template, but a learning experience that reflects their real pedagogical vision? The easier it is to create something genuinely useful, the more they will create. The organization comes third. Institutional constraints are real: compliance, branding, data governance, accreditation. They need to be easy to configure. But an organization that forces a platform on instructors who resent it and learners who resist it has solved the wrong problem. The experiment is the product. The impact of AI on learning is obvious. What to do about it isn't. The tools are changing faster than any curriculum can track. And what works today may not work 6 months from now because the underlying technology has changed. Medhavy doesn't pick a model and defend it. It runs a continuously controlled experiment on each learner, on each teaching approach, and on the AI itself as it evolves. What's actually improving learning outcomes? What just feels impressive? The experiment runs on both questions at once. And the results are visible to instructors, to institutions, to anyone who wants to look. Without transparency, there is no trust. Without trust, there is no learning. Medhavy AI